Hello everyone, I'm Chang from Lufi Electronics. This time, I will introduce to you the material specifications of membrane switch production stage, structure layer. When we receive the customer's demand order, we will carry out and complete the production according to the customer's drawings, relevant documents, samples, materials, customer samples and delivery time. What are the main materials related information to determine customer needs? There are mainly structural layers, panel, lower line, back glue, wire, fixed piece, surface, shading layer, waterproof frame, light guide plate and so on. The names of the relevant materials of the structure layer. The size of the opening material, the length and width modulus of the opening mold, and whether the printing, cutting and assembly are involved in the later work are determined. In this way, the basic part of customer material specification lamination in the early production of membrane switch is completed. And we enter the determination of components and materials. Okay, that's it for this issue. Thank you for your support. I wish you a happy life.